Hi everyone, I've got another daily challenge for you, and today's daily challenge is going to be some more arts and crafts. It's going to make your own 10-pin bowling game. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some kitchen roll tubes and we're going to turn them into 10-pin bowling. I'm really excited. I'll show you what you need to do. Okay, so for kitchen roll bowling, what you're going to need is some kitchen roll tubes. You're going to need 3, or you can have 2 and just make them a bit smaller. I've got some that I have already cut up here. You're going to need some paper, which I've got over here, and some scissors and some glue, and then you're going to need a ball as well. I'm not decided what I'm going to make my ball out of yet because I don't have one at home, so I think I'll have to think of something I can do for that. So what you need to do is cut your kitchen roll tubes in half. You might need a grown-up to help with this. So you're going to find about half of your kitchen roll tube and you're going to cut it in half with your scissors, and then use the flat side from the ends to go on the table or on the floor. So what you'll need is you'll need 6 of these. And then you're going to set them up like that. And then you are going to decorate your tubes. So you can decorate them with paint or with paper or colouring pencils. I think I'm going to cover mine in some paper. So I'll be right back once I've done that. Right then, so I have made all of my 10-pin bowling tubes. They've all got a number on from 1 to 6. And so we'll arrange them in order. 3, 4, 5, 6. And each one of the numbers tells you how many points you're going to get if you knock it over. So I'm going to go set this game up on my floor and then we'll see what I score. Right, so I've set up my 10-pin bowling, well 6-pin bowling, and I've got a ball that belongs to my dog, so I'm going to see how many points I can get. Wow, so I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 3 add 5 is 8. So I got 8 points. I wonder what you'll get. Have a great time making your own kitchen roll bowling.